Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, you are going to learn the Pashto letter J. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with J. In our last video, we covered the letter R. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter J is from the same category that we did in the previous classes, is like re, ze, re, je, all of them is from the same category. Je have the sound of ja, ja. Look, ja is also just coming at the beginning and at the end. In the middle is not coming. It means when it to the right side of this letter we can connect every other letters, but to the left side we can't. When we write another letter to the left side of this letter, we must write it separately. Yeah. In a word, for example, like we have jamais. Jamais. Jamais means winter. Jamais ranigde day. Jamais ranigde day. It means the winter is close. Jamais ranigde day. The winter is close. Jamais means winter. Ranigde close day is. Jamais ranigde day. The winter is close. Or we have Pajamike derrière day. Pajamike derrière day. It is very cold in the winter. Pajamike in the winter. Pandke means in. Jamais winter. Der very yeah cold day is. Pajamike derrière day. Jawar. Jawar. Jawar means deep. خب داغار جواردي داغار جواردي. It means this is a deep cave. Do mean this, غار cave, جوار deep, day is. داغار جواردي. This is a deep cave. We have another example. Da sindir jawarde. Da sindir jawarde. This river is very deep. Domin again this. Sind river. Der very Jawar deep. They is. The Sind der Jawar they. This river is very deep. किताब के ढेर जवर मालूमात दी. किताब के ढेर जवर मालूमात दी. It means the book has very deep information. Look, Jawar, one meaning is deep and another meaning, like in this sentence, it means like very correct information or very important information. किताब के ढेर जवर मालूमात दी. The book has very deep information. किताब के in the book or the book has ढेर जवर very deep मालूमात information दी is. किताब के ढेर जवर मालूमात दी. The book has very deep information. If you look to the English meaning, we can say like this one, किताब ढेर जवर मालूमात लहरी. Look, the meaning is, but there in English they say like has, we can say in Pashto लहरी. Like this one, किताब ढेर जवर मालूमात लहरी. Or the kitab, this book. Jawla, Jawla. Jawla means Babel game. Jawla, Babel game. Jawla Rakra. Jawla Rakra. Give me Babel game. Jawla Babel game. Rakra give me. Look, Rakra give. There is no me, but the end of we know from the end of the sentence that this sentence is referred to as. For this reason we say like give me Babel game Jawla Rakra. We dropped like me. Jaba, Jaba. Jaba means language. پښتو اسانه ژبه ده. پښتو اسانه ژبه ده. It means Pashto is easy language. Pashto asana easy jaba language that is. Pashto asana jaba da. Pashto is easy language. زه دري ژبه زده کوم. زه دري ژبه زده کوم. It means I'm learning Dari language. زه again I Dari ژبه language زده کوم learning. زه دري ژبه زده کوم. I'm learning Dari language. دري د افغانستان رسمي ژبه ده. دري د افغانستان رسمي ژبه ده. There is an official language of Afghanistan. Dari name, Dari language. The Afghanistan of Afghanistan. The Afghanistan of they means of Afghanistan. Resmi official ژبه language. The is this one is. Dari the Afghanistan resmi ژبه ده. There is an official language of Afghanistan. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Jamais, jamais winter. Jamais ranigde day. Jamais ranigde day. The winter is close. په ژمي کې ډېر یخ دی. په ژمي کې ډېر یخ دی. It is very cold in the winter. ژور ژور deep. دا غار ژور دی. دا غار ژور دی. This is a deep cave. دا سیند ډېر ژور دی. دا سیند ډېر ژور دی. This river is very deep. کتاب کې ډېر ژور معلومات دي. کتاب کې ډېر ژور معلومات دي. The book has very deep information. ژاوله ژاوله bubblegum. ژاوله راکړه. ژاوله راکړه. Give me bubblegum. ژبه ژبه language. پښتو اسانه ژبه ده. پښتو اسانه ژبه ده. Pashto is easy language. زه دري ژبه زده کوم. زه دري ژبه زده کوم. I'm learning Dari language. دري د افغانستان رسمي ژبه ده. دري د افغانستان رسمي ژبه ده. Dari is an official language of Afghanistan. If you would like to learn Pashto Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.